Hi everybody, so we're just going to be talking and doing a bit of driving on traffic lights and the fear of the red light. Lots of learners go through it at some stage, sometimes in the first 5-10 hours of driving lessons, sometimes further up. And it's the fear of the lights changing and stalling. And you need to remember a few things when you get close to the lights, that when you do stop, you put yourself back into first gear and you make sure that you don't rush the clutch. Make sure you release the handbrake. If you've got the handbrake on, make sure you've got the power on. So we'll get some driving. I'll just turn that on. It doesn't help when the guy behind you does that, gives you a little horn, and you're thinking, what have they bid me for? I've done nothing wrong. Well, probably not as quick as them, simple as that. But remember, if you do stop, make sure you go to first gear. Make sure if you're on a hill, you put your handbrake on, and make sure you put the gas and you hold the biting point so that the car move. We're going to go left again at the traffic lights. Centre mirror left, signalling. The lights are on red. They're probably going to change at some point. If you're thinking change, then you need to practice more. So we're slowing down, stopping, and the chances are they're going to change as you stop. First gear, checking, gas, hold the clutch, and then I'm off. I didn't use the handbrake, it's fairly flat. If you're thinking, I'm not too sure whether I'm on a hill or whether I'm on a flat, then when you do stop, select your first gear, just lift the brake off a little bit. If it rolls back on the brake, handbrake on. That solves the problem then, doesn't it? But don't worry about the guy behind you or the girl behind you. It's not personal if they bib you. They're just in a rush. They want you to get off before the lights change. Maybe they've got to get home. Okay? So lights are on green ahead of us. The chances are they're going to change to red. They're not going to stay on green forever. See, they're changing now, which is fine. We're going to go left, which is fine. Check my mirrors, signalling. But they might change back to green as I'm slowing down. So I've just got to make sure that I'm ready for it. So I'm in third gear, clutching it straight into first gear. Keep an eye on it. Handbrake's on because I'm on a hill. Changing, gas, hold the clutch. A little bit more clutch to make it move. Not rushing. And you've got to keep practicing that. If you do, you're going to get over that fear of stalling. Okay? Good luck on the lessons. I hope this helps. If it does, fantastic. Take care, everybody, and safe driving.